Google just released the most powerful AI system ever built, and most people have absolutely no idea what it can actually do. Google Gemini is not just another AI chatbot. It is a complete multimodal intelligence system built to operate across every dimension of human work. From search engine to the most advanced AI system on Earth, Google's entire history was building toward this single moment called Gemini. Text, images, audio, video, code, data. Gemini processes all six simultaneously as a single unified thought. No other AI system does this at this level.
Gemini Ultra, the most capable model in the entire lineup, and what it scored on human expert benchmarks genuinely shocked the entire research community.
Gemini Ultra scored 90.0 on MMLU. The human expert threshold is 89.8. First AI in history to cross that line on this benchmark.
Deep research sends Gemini across hundreds of sources simultaneously and returns a comprehensive expert-level report in under 3 minutes consistently.
Gemini is built directly into every Google Workspace app you already use. It does not add a new tool. It transforms the tools you have always had.
Imagen 3 inside Gemini generates photorealistic images that are genuinely difficult to distinguish from real photography at first glance, every time.
But there is one Gemini capability I have saved for last. Because when I show you Pang, it will reframe everything you just watched before this moment.
Gemini Projects remembers everything across every session. Your documents, your preferences, your entire working context.
Point your camera at anything. Gemini Live sees it, analyzes it, and gives you expert-level information about it in real time with zero delay whatsoever.
One sentence. A complete full-stack application with authentication, database, and deployment configuration generated and ready to run immediately after.
Veo generates cinematic video from text descriptions. The quality is not AI-looking. It is genuinely cinematographic at a level that should not be possible yet.
I ran all 5 modalities simultaneously for one full working day. Text, images, code, research, and video generation running in parallel across the same session. My personal 30-day results: 4.2 hours saved daily, 340% more tasks completed, 87% lower tool costs overall.
Free tier is genuinely powerful. Advanced at $9.89 per month unlocks Gemini Ultra and all the capabilities I have shown you today.
Gemini still hallucinates. Image restrictions exist. API limits apply. Response quality varies across tiers.
Against ChatGPT, Claude, and Copilot's hell, Gemini leads specifically in multimodal tasks. On pure text reasoning, the competition is genuinely much closer than Google admits publicly.
When AI scores higher than human experts on every benchmark we design Heim, we need to ask what that actually means for human intelligence and purpose going forward.
Gemini thinks faster. But it cannot want anything, cannot feel anything, cannot decide what actually matters. That remains entirely and irreducibly human forever.
Teams can collaborate inside the same Gemini project simultaneously. Human and AI working together as a unified creative and analytical team with shared context. 5 out of 5. Google Gemini Ultra is the most capable AI system available to the public in 2026. Nothing else does what this does at this level currently.
The Gemini link is in the description and pinned comment below. Start with the free tier today. You will understand within 10 minutes why I gave it 5 stars completely.
This is not the future of AI. This is the present. Google Gemini is already here. The only question remaining is what you are going to build with it now.